Ladies and gentlemen, we now have the next Vivek Burman Dabur Peace Prize 2021, which is being equally shared and right now being conferred to Sun Foundation. Sun Foundation, ladies and gentlemen, was established by Honorable Mr. Vikramjit Singh Sani, Padma Shri, Honorary Consul General of South Africa in the year 1998. Can we have a round of applause as we extend this appreciation, recognition on him? The objectives of the foundation was to empower women and girls from weaker section of the society by imparting vocational training and skills to enable them to contribute in the economic development of the family, society and nation. To create social awareness against existing evils, to bring about a positive change in the society through their policies and programs, and incorporate environmental education and programs in schools and sensitize the people towards such issues. Also to support people in distress and affected by natural calamities, apart from many other initiatives for the good of the society. The foundation has established 36 skill development centers in Delhi, Haryana and Punjab. The role of the foundation during the COVID-19 pandemic has been extraordinary. They donated corona testing, mobile clinic and ambulances, dry ration to needy, distribution of food, distribution of sanitary napkins and face masks, and also donated fully equipped state-of-the-art ambulances to Shaheed Bhagat Singh Seva Dal. Many congratulations to his foundation, and may I now request Honorable Padma Shri Shri Vikramjit Singh Sani ji to please address this august gathering. So, requesting you for your expressions on this occasion.
Honorable Shri Manish Sisodia ji, the Deputy Chief Minister, a dynamic Deputy Chief Minister, of Delhi. Shri Vivek Burman ji, our mentor and a great philanthropist, a great businessman, Chairman Dabur Limited. C.L. Ganju ji, the President of HCCD and the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, of all the ambassadors of all the foreign countries in India, and Shri Ashish Sharaf ji, Vijay Kalantri ji, the Chairman of World Trade Center in Bombay, and Purushottam Bagaria ji, Excellencies and dear friends, I am really humbled to have achieved this award for our NGO Sun Foundation. And more, its pleasure for me, it is at the hands of a person like, a stalwart like Shri Manish Sisodia ji. I will recommend, as Mr. Ganju was saying, you must read his book, which I came across few days back, Shiksha, My Experiments as Education Minister. I think it's a great eye-opener how he transformed the government schools into public schools, as Mr. Ganju have already elaborated. And my association with him is more because he has been kind enough to bestow upon our NGO a great campus in Harinagar opposite Tihar jail of about 6 acres, where in partnership with Delhi government, under his guidance and mentorship, we recently on 22nd of February started World Skills Center, where 1,000 poor or youth of Delhi is getting educated in about 15 skills, and we are further expanding it to many courses. I dedicate this award to the great COVID campaigns which our NGO ran. We were the first one to donate a full corona, you must have seen a full mobile corona clinics and ambulances, which was flagged off by Chief Secretary of Delhi. And then we gave another mobile COVID clinic. It was fully artificial intelligence, RT-PCR test at your doorstep. So these buses were going in the containment zones in Delhi, which was flagged off by the Chief Secretary of Delhi. And of course, our NGO does a lot of work on the de-addiction center, rehab centers in Punjab and other states, and we are setting up an international skill center in Punjab at Amritsar. And during COVID, apart from these ambulances and other, this award is also dedicated to all my team who we distributed dry ration kits for the poor, needy, migrant laborers, ran the Langar campaign or the community kitchen campaign along with DSGMC and NDTV, which you must have seen. And recently, 25th March was the very tragic day when there was a first anniversary of the bomb blast in Afghanistan. So when we had about 500 refugees, Hindu and Sikhs, our NGO sent 4 special chartered planes to bring them to India, and now we are running a program in West Delhi, My Family, My Responsibility, to rehabilitate all these refugees, because our parents had also come in 1947 from Pakistan, and my mother and father used to tell us, and all the people who have suffered the parts, because most of the Punjabis here and there, so at least we are feeling the pain and we are rehabilitating them, skilling them. And on 25th of March, I personally went and I handed over from our NGO to these 500 refugees a Tata AIG health insurance also. So we are really treating them as our extended family, and we have Tare Zameen Par for disabled children or differently abled children, Angels of Sun. At the end, I would only say, as the country which I represent, South Africa, the great Nelson Mandela said that we have inherited this world from our ancestors, and it is our duty, utmost duty, to hand it back to our children in a much better form than we had inherited. And I think it's duty of our all to do whatever little we can do in our own sphere. Thank you very much.